All right, let's take a look at the Bobcat ZS4000. It's sporting a comfortable anti-vibration ride-on platform. We've got the big Kawasaki 730 EFI fuel injection engine. We've also got the AirFX deck. Let's take a look at the AirFX deck. So right here, we've got adjustments on the front baffles to stand your blades of grass up to get a nice even cut. All right, so we also have the 23-inch tall tires for ground clearance and stability on all your off-camber cutting. In North Carolina, we do have a lot of hills and sloped backyards. This gives you the stability and comfort to know that you're gonna stay right side up. See how accessible maintenance is on your ZS4000. All right, let me show you the anti-vibration ride platform. And this is how it works for you. Takes the shock out of your knees, joints, and lower back. You can also use it as a walk behind.